Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Octaviani. I am a student from the University of Aisyah Bandung, majoring in nursing class 2A. I would like to say thank you for watching to my video. I am here today to present about strategies for the reading comprehension question skill to seek in TOEFL. My presentation lasts about 20 minutes. Before we discuss the material, we are better to read Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start discussing. Uh, Skill for implied detail question. Uh, How to identify the question? It is implied in the passage that it can be inferred from the passage that it is most likely that what probably happened. Where to find the answer? The answer to this question are found in order in the passage. How to answer the question? 1. Choose a keyword in the question. 2. Scan the appropriate part of the passage for the keyword of that idea. 3. Read the sentence that contains the keyword or idea careful. 4. Look for the answer that contains the keyword careful. Let me give you an example. The question, it is implied in the passage that if a tree has 1,000 wide bends and 1,000 narrow bends, then it is. The answer is a century-old explanation. A tree has 1,000 wide bends and 1,000 narrow bends. Can be concluded that tree with 1,000 wide bands and 1,000 narrow bands is 1,000 years. The answer is century old. Let's now move to skill 5. Vocabulary in context question. How to identify the question? What is the meaning? Which of the following is closest meaning to? Blah 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 could be replaced by which of the following? Where to find the answer? The question usually tells you in which line of the passage the word or expression can be found. How to answer the question? 1. Find the word or expression in the passage. 2. Read the sentence that contains the word careful. 3. Look for the context clues to help you understand the meaning. 4. Choose the answer that the context indicates. Let me give you an example. The question, geranium is probably which of the following? The answer is a plant. Explanation because in that pot geranium, so the right answer is a plant. Let's move to skill 6, where question. How to identify the question? Where is the passage? Where to find the answer? The question usually tells you in which line of the passage the word or expression can be found. How to answer the question? 1. Find the word or expression in the passage. 2. Read the sentence that contains the word careful. 3. Look for the contents clue to help you understand the meaning. 4. Choose the answer that the contents indicates. Let me give you an example. The question, 1. Where in the passage does the author define the word capital? Uh, the answer is line 4. Because line 4 capital is the location of the center of government, while Capitol is the actual building where the government official meet. Okay, Alhamdulillah, we have finished discussion reading skill from 4 to 6 on the TOEFL. Thank you for your attention. Maybe there's enough that I can copy. Hopefully, it can be understood by all and is useful for all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.